everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I plan on showing you really quick and easy DIYs that you can put up in your house for either the holiday or all year round. So I hope that you enjoy this. If you are a subscriber to my channel, welcome back. And if it's your first time visiting my channel, I hope that you enjoy this. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So let's get on with it. Okay, so I have this board. I think I purchased it at Michael's for 50% off. I think it was $7.99 when I purchased it. I know you can get them at Hobby Lobby, and if they're on sale, that's great, or you can use their 40% off. Or if you're crafty, then you can also make ones. The first thing I have is I want to paint this, and I'm going to use my Sloan graphite paint and give it a really quick coat with that paint, just as my bottom coat. I'm going to do a layering effect, and I'll show you as we go along. So I've poured a little bit into a paper plate, and I don't want to use a lot, and I just want to spread it on. And because this is chalk paint, it goes really fast. I love using the Sloan. I've done my kitchen stools with Sloan. I've done my china cabinet with Sloan. Oh, sounds like my husband's home, so he'll be coming in. So I'm gonna finish painting this, and then I'll show you what I do next. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this dry, and then I'm going to get a smaller brush to get inside the slats. But I'm going to also use my white linen for the top, and I'm going to actually use this, which is really cool. It's a layering block. I don't know if any of you know what a layering block is, but you put your paint and you put it down, and then you glide it, and it just makes layers of your paint, so it looks like that chippy look. That is really popular. There are different ways you can do it, but this is the way I do it. So. After my board is completely dry, I was able to lightly sand it and wipe it clean from any debris. I am now using my Sloan clear wax, making sure to cover all boards. Once I'm done, I then take a clean dry cloth and buff over my board. The wax will help protect my paint and also give it a nice sheen. Okay, so now what I want to show you is I bought these over at the Dollar Tree along with their ribbon. I've taken the wire out of this side of the ribbon, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to scrunch it, and I'm going to place it under here as I scrunch it and hot glue it to add a bigger rim on her hat. Before, I bought these letters over at Hobby Lobby. They were $2.99 and I picked them up for 50% off. I found them on sale, and I try to only buy my things either on sale or at the Dollar Tree or the 99-cent store as much as possible. So what I'm going to do is, where they normally have hooks is where I'm going to put the glue, and I'm going to arrange them on my board. So that is our next step. And I keep an old placemat, plastic placemat, just so if the glue gun spills out, like I have some cheaper ones. This Gorilla one is a more expensive glue gun, but I do have some that aren't as expensive and they leak. So what I do is I just keep a little placemat. So I'm going to glue and glue and glue and glue, and then I'm going to place it right on my board. Hope you guys can see. See, I've now placed it on the board, and I'm just going to place each of them here so that they look like they spell the word home. There, and my O is whatever I decide, and this time, since it's close to Halloween, it will be my little witch hat. So here's our finished little project. Use anything. You can interchange this throughout the year for like a heart for Valentine's Day, or a little wreath for Christmas, or little bunny ears or something for Easter. And it was just a fun little thing. So if you have a little kids that you want to make a simple little project, this is a great thing to do. So I hope you enjoyed this.